Hello everyone, just a quick video on what I have finished over this weekend. This is an Omnibus GPS module. I've plugged it in and I just finished completely. It's a plug and play. I've 3D printed the board, you know, all with the buzzers and the splitters and everything. So it's like a frame that I've printed it, and so once it is done, we can just plug it and play. These are the servos just for testing purpose, and then once it is done, I'll be removing it. There are two rails to it. One is this one, you can see. This is AETR, aileron, elevator, throttle and rudder, and then there is another rail which is for pan, tilt, gear, and one additional thing. So there are 4 servos here and 4 outputs, total of 8 channel output. I'm using it. So let me just quickly fire it up, and here it is. Here is it. It's showing it's armed. APM initializing. All the servos are tallying it up. 11.57 volt pre-amp pass, and I'm getting the FPV here. Let me just give you a quick view on the FPV. This is my FPV view. Okay, and I'll just quickly run the radio. So let me just first change the modes. Okay, going back to manual here. Now if you can see here, this servo is not working because I have plugged it in the wrong direction. And here we go. Sorry about that. Let's see now. So I've got my ailerons working. I've got my pitch is working. I've got my rudder, which is working. Now here on this side, what I've done, these are the servos for pan and tilt. So if you can look here, this is the one which is working right now. That's number 5, and we got number 6. Okay, then we have number 7, which is here. Okay, then we've got one more to go, which is number 8. Here is the number 8. So everything is running on it. Now once I arm it, if you look at my small OLED, it says armed, and still everything is, all my other features are still working. These are my features which are working. So okay, so that's a quick video. I just wanted to share with you guys that I've just used a little bit of my weekend, since we are all stuck inside our houses. So took a time to fix this one, make up a small video for you guys to look at it. And this is the one which will be going outside my plane to quickly have a look at it without putting on the goggles. So now just going it back. So now it is disarmed. You can see it shows what are the modes that I'm selecting. You can see stabilize. Alright, anyways, thank you guys, stay safe, happy flying.